So, before you scroll, I need you to hear this. This is not a random message today. Someone who has been silent, someone who has been acting distant, or maybe confusing is quietly planning something about you right now. Because at the bottom of my cards here, I see you are my heart. I want to say I love you. And I'm not getting light energy here, by the way, when I see this particular card. This feels very serious, emotional, almost like they have reached a breaking point. I feel there has been some kind of cheating or mistrust or a third party influence here. And if you've been crying, overthinking, checking their last scene, this reading is going to hit very differently. Trust me, guys. So, the third party energy is possible that it is not for every one of you, but I'm going to reveal what they are planning, why they went silent, and what happens next between you and them. Okay, but first, like this particular video, comment I claim this, and subscribe because many of you are watching but not subscribing to my channel. And energy exchange matters here, trust me. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and do comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell for anybody who's a cross watcher here. Okay, so that whenever I upload any such video, you are being notified. So, namaskar everyone. My name is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. Welcome or welcome back to your safe space. And I'm so sorry I wasn't able to upload videos in last 2 days because I was not keeping well. And more than well, it was more about energetically. I was feeling very drained, so I just wanted to reset myself so that I can come back stronger. So, this is not just a tarot reading for you today. This is where your emotions are understood. This place, okay? Where your silence is heard and where your love story is seen without any judgment. Trust me, guys. Also, a quick reminder, my YouTube membership is now open for early access to readings, exclusive content, and deeper insights as well. So, do not forget to be a part of my memberships on YouTube as well. And for my Hindi audience, you can check out my second channel, Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi. So if you understand Hindi and English both, then you can be a subscriber to both my channel. Even if you don't understand Hindi, you can turn on the subtitles, or you can go ahead and you can turn on the auto transcript, okay, and still connect with the energy. I am posting long detailed readings there as well. Okay. Also, personal readings and white magic candle spells are available. Details are mentioned in the description box below. You can book it through Instagram or WhatsApp here. So let's start quickly with your reading. What's happening? Okay. So now close your eyes for a second. Think about your person right now on your mind, the one who left you confused, waiting, or in a no contact situation. Okay, think about that person right away, because what I am seeing already here in the cards. Uh, okay, so this person has not moved on at all. Okay, this person has not moved on at all. In fact, they are planning something about you. Okay, this person definitely seems to be planning something about you, and something very strong is about to reveal in this particular video. So watch it till the end, because I'm also going to suggest which spell you can go for. But I do see that you're tired, not physically but emotionally. I see that you're tired, you're going through a very negative cycle. It's like you've been strong for way too long. You tried to move on, you tried to distract yourself, but something about this connection keeps pulling you back to this person, because I do see that you still feel very passionate about this person and this connection. Late nights, overthinking, checking their profile, wondering if they are thinking about you too. And deep inside, you feel like something is unfinished. Okay? That feeling is not wrong. That feeling is not at all wrong. Okay? Not at all. What is their current thoughts and feelings right now? Oh, this person is not okay at all. If you think this person is fine, is doing better, no. They're just acting fine. They look normal from the outside, but internally, if you ask me, they are restless. I'm seeing heavy regret here. Ego is still there. Yes, but it's cracking. They replay conversations in their head. They think about what they said, they should have said, and what they actually said, what they lost, and especially what they could have preserved, which is you. So you're not easily replaceable in their life. So if you've been thinking, if I do not reach out, if I don't talk to them, they're going to move on, because majority of the question, my you guys come to me for a reading and that's what you ask me. If I don't contact, are they not going to move on? And okay, so now this just got intense because I am seeing sudden changes in your person's mind. They were very confused in the past, like big time, but followed with the Seven of Cups, I see Eight of Wands. It could be a message, a call, or even them showing up at your doorstep. So hype this particular video right now if this is your situation, because this energy is building fast. And drop hype if you have already hyped by now. Okay? Why this separation happened? This connection was, there was love, but it broke because of the timing. I see it broke because of ego. It broke because of ego, fear, and miscommunication. And I also see that this person may, very few of you, may have been still exploring outside this connection. So someone here avoided emotional responsibility as well and wasn't able to make a decision or a choice. Someone didn't express enough. Someone ran away when things got deep here. Okay? And that created distance between you and your person. But the bond, it never broke. What I feel that, okay, so this is something which I'm about to disclose right now. This is the main part of this reading, because this person is definitely planning a comeback here. This is not in a casual way. They are thinking, how to approach you, what to say, how to not mess it up again with you. Okay? Because now they understand that they do care for you, and now they have to, in their action, have to show it enough. Because in the past, that is what was missing. So I'm also seeing that they are watching you silently. Okay, they are definitely watching you silently. Okay, and they are watching your social media as well. They may be even checking through your mutual friends, XYZ, so many more things, and they are hopeful that you have not moved on and you will not reject them anymore. They are they have fear that you will reject them. That's why they are taking time, so that they can say the right words to you. So I do see that this is not at all a stuck energy anymore. I see Eight of Wands, fast paced communication, movement is coming. It is going to be real this time. You might feel it before it happens. So if you watch this particular video, it can be within 8 days the day you watch this video. Like sudden dreams, thinking about them randomly, feeling their presence. But and that's because they are energetically moving towards you. So for some of you, this is within weeks. Yes, this is within weeks that is going to happen. Weeks by weeks, I see 7 to 8 days. I mean, week plus 1 day, or maximum 2 weeks. If you ask me, My advice to you is right now, your job is not to chase. Now you must be wondering, Neha, I always say this thing because this is the fact. Cards always guide that. Your job is to align, focus on your peace, your self worth, your emotional stability. Because when they come back, you need to be in a position of strength, not longing. You deserve clarity, not confusion. Okay? You actually deserve clarity. You should not be confused. The zodiac signs that I can see right now is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. Aquarius is very strongly seen here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Actually, it's a mix and match of all the signs here. So, if your sign or their sign is here, comment it below. Which sign are you or your person is? Because I do read comments. Do let me know your situation as well. And trust me, that is how I figure out my next day's reading. So let me see how many of you resonates with this reading in the comment section. Okay. The spell book that I'm going to suggest you 7 days love reconciliation communication, 7 days love obsession. And if you have a low budget, you can ask for that as well. I do see this connection is not over, but it is transforming. The next phase will not be like the past. You know, this person ghosted you, was very in and out. When you confronted them, they just ghosted you. So there will be more maturity, more emotional depth, and a chance to rebuild is what I see. But only if you both show up differently. So it is not only your person who needs to change. I'm not saying that you're bad. I'm just saying that you also have to handle things in a different way or differently. You have to be more practical, more mindful, maybe a little manipulative as well. Not in a bad way, but to safeguard you. So, if this is resonating with you guys, don't just watch silently. Like this video, comment your situation, and subscribe because I do see that there are so many non subscribers here. Why are you doing this to me? Because your energy matters here and it helps this message reach the right people, and it also encourages me as your healer, as your guide. You know, it gives me motivation to come daily on this channel and give you this reading. It's absolutely free, right? So you are not forgotten, you are not replaced. Always remember, the most importantly, you are not crazy for feeling this deeply. Trust me, this connection had meaning, always had meaning, and it still does. Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, for trusting this particular space, and for allowing yourself to feel. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The personal readings and white magic candle spells are available in the description along with WhatsApp number and Instagram details. So you can book me up anytime. And if you want early access to an exclusive readings, join my YouTube membership right away, right now. And oops, I'll see you in the next reading. And if you just a reminder, um, my Hindi channel is also there, so go ahead, subscribe there. If I get a good response, I'm posting 2 videos Wednesday and Saturday, so I'll start posting daily videos there as well. And remember, this is the place where we reveal everything on daily basis. This is Luna the Moon Tarot, reminding you that love always returns where it truly, 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 truly belongs. So do not shy away, do not hide away. This is a this is one-on-one. This is a safe space for you to open up and to have a personal session, a one-on-one guidance with me. And yes, so you can, the spell work and healing slots are open. You can go ahead and you can book right away. Like I said, 7 days love reconciliation communication spell work, 7 days love obsession spell work, or you can go for 21 days love combo directly. And if you do not have that kind of budget, if you have a low budget, you can ask me that I'm looking for a low budget one as well, and I'm gonna share that too with you. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me till this time, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.